Garage door opener jerking during operation is super annoying and can signal you need some quick fixes before things get worse. So, here's the deal. First, check the tracks and rollers for dirt or rust and give them a good lubrication with a silicone-based spray. Don't use grease, it just attracts more grime. Make sure the tracks are straight and clean. Even small bends or debris can cause the door to jerk. Next, take a look at the force settings on your opener. If they're set too high or low, the door won't move smoothly. Adjust them slowly and test how the door moves after each tweak. Also, tighten any loose bolts or screws on the brackets holding the tracks and opener. It's crazy how much a loose part can mess things up. If your door is old, check the springs and cables for wear since worn parts can cause jerky movement too. Lastly, make sure the remote sensors are aligned properly. Misalignment can cause inconsistent door operation. Taking these steps can save you from a full-on garage door headache. One of the biggest mistakes people make with garage door opener jerks is ignoring regular maintenance like lubricating the tracks and rollers, which leads to buildup and rough movement. Fix that by cleaning and lubricating every 6 months. Another common issue is messing with the force settings without knowing what you're doing. Too much or too little force can make the door jerk or stop. Always adjust in small increments and test after each change. Lastly, folks often overlook checking for loose hardware or worn springs, which are super important for smooth operation. Tighten bolts regularly and replace old springs before they break. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and can get your garage door running smoothly again. For contractors, it's a great way to find real projects and build a solid client base without the hassle.